Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best smart bulbs that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lifx A19 Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Bulb. The Lifx A19 offers something rather unique in that it has an app for Microsoft phones as well as iOS and Android. It's compatible with HomeKit, Alexa, Cortana, and Google Assistant, so it can assimilate easily into the ecosystem of your choice. The Lifx A19 is a color bulb that has lots of options in the settings for interesting effects. It can respond to sound picked up by your phone's mic, adjust the light according to the time of day, and perform wake-up and bedtime routines. Lifx integrates with Nest, so when there is activity in one of your Nest Cam's motion zones, or if a person is detected, you can choose which lights turn on, or you can have random bulbs turn on in unpredictable patterns. If you use your Nest thermostat with your power company's rush hour rewards program, your lights can blink green and orange to let you know that you are entering a rush hour. The power company will adjust your thermostat during times of high energy use. And if your Nest Protect smart smoke alarm detects a problem, you can set the Lifx to blink in response. The Lifx can do lots of things, but all that functionality comes at a price. It's the most expensive bulb we tested. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Philips Hue White Ambiance Starter Kit. Each of the Philips Hue smart bulbs has a near identical app experience, and setting up each of the bulbs was about as flawless and painless as it could be. The only real difference in each kit lies in the level of control you get over each type of bulb. The Philips Hue White Ambiance bulb lets you adjust the color temperature of the bulb. That means you can adjust the light through a range of warm yellow and cool blue, white colors. There are also 4 default recipes that alter the light based on whether you're relaxing, reading, concentrating, or looking to get energized. If you don't need a bunch of flashy, vivid colors, the White Ambiance is a great runner-up that gives you some white color options without paying for the premium package. Light for your moments from sunrise to sunset. This Philips Hue White Ambiance Starter Kit contains 2 bulbs, 1 dimmer switch and a hub. It can help you fall asleep or wake up gently. Set the right ambiance with a range of white light, from cool daylight to relaxing warm white light. At number 3, we have the Philips Hue White A19 Starter Kit. Philips Hue is the world's leader in smart lighting. Extends smart lighting throughout your home, including outdoor spaces, with the Philips Hue system. What is smart lighting, you may ask? It means absolute control of your home's lighting through your smartphone, tablet, Hue wireless dimmer switches and sensors, or even with your voice. As a bonus, Philips Hue is the only smart lighting product with ENERGY STAR certification and lasts up to 22 years. Got voice? Do you already have a favorite voice or smart home assistant? With the most options for voice control, Philips Hue smart light bulbs work with any voice or smart home assistant. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Microsoft Cortana, IFTTT, Nest, Logitech, SmartThings, Razer, Xfinity. How it works: Hue smart light bulbs are wireless connected to the Hue hub included in Hue starter kits, also sold separately using a technology called Zigbee. Thanks to this technology, one bulb can transmit the signal also to other bulbs, so you don't need to add a Wi-Fi extender to cover all the rooms in your house or clog up your Wi-Fi network with additional Wi-Fi devices. Add up to 50 light points on one Hue hub. At number 2, we have the Lifx Plus A19 Night Vision. The Lifx Plus A19 Night Vision adds something either totally amazing and applicable to you, or nothing at all. Nearly identical to the Lifx A19, this model features the addition of infrared light. What does that mean? Well, when the bulb is turned off via the app, it'll emit infrared light that's meant to enhance any night vision used by your security cameras. It worked brilliantly during our tests, but ultimately won't matter much if your home isn't equipped with night vision security cameras. Lifx Plus is a smart light bulb that uses Wi-Fi to customize and control your lighting via our simple-to-use app. Enjoy access to incredible colors and soft shades of white light, plus invisible infrared light to help security cameras see in the dark when the sun goes down. It's business and play all rolled into the one cutting-edge light. And finally at number 1, we have the Philips Hue Single Premium Smart Bulb. If you're looking for a well-designed smart bulb, Philips Hue's color light bulbs are the way to go. They're more expensive than others, and you'll need a Philips Hue hub to operate them, but once everything is set up, these bulbs will be reliable, colorful, bright and, of course, very smart. And once you have one Philips Hue hub, you don't need another. The bulbs work through the Philips app, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant or Apple HomeKit. To install, simply screw in the smart bulbs into your desired light location, download the Hue mobile app and pair your Hue hub. Control smart bulb-equipped lamps and overhead Hue lights via the Philips Hue app. Ideal for your favorite ceiling fan lights, floor lamps, table lamps, pendant lights, and more throughout your smart home. Watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.